Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to withdraw money from Kalshi. So guys, open your Kalshi account. After log into your account and click this third line, and after that click transfer. And before you transfer guys, you make sure read this option as you can see here. You make sure guys read this one. When you withdraw to a different bank within 90 days with the same account which they originally deposit for 19 days, after 19 days you can withdraw an account. Make sure write this one, and the phone number, you must verify your phone number, and withdraw minimal $2 guys. And after that, you have this option to withdraw method. You have the bank transfer, you have debit card and Apple Pay, you have crypto, and this one. And this is max daily, guys, to withdraw. And just click bank transfer and complete your process easily. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like, share this video for more content.